Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer documents with Notion step by step clearly. To transfer documents with Notion, start by opening the Notion app or website. Navigate to the workspace where you want to transfer your documents. If you haven't already, create a new page by clicking the plus new page option. Give your new page a relevant title that reflects the content you'll be transferring. To import documents, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the page. Select the Import option from the drop-down menu. A list of supported file types will appear. Choose the file format of the document you wish to transfer, such as PDF, Word, or Markdown. After selecting the format, locate the file on your device that you want to upload. Click on the file to initiate the transfer process. Notion will automatically upload and format the document for you. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the document displayed on your page. If needed, you can drag and drop the document to rearrange its position. To enhance your page, consider adding additional context or related information. You can insert buttons, links, or other content blocks next to your document. When you're satisfied with the layout, review the document for any formatting adjustments. To finish, share your page with collaborators if necessary. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your documents with Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.